Hello everyone, this is Mamta Moon and today we will learn and solve exercise 1D questions 1 to 8 of chapter 1. Chapter name is Knowing Our Numbers of class 6 of Composite Mathematics textbook. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos. And please visit my blog mathsgrade.com for more information regarding the textbook solution of CBSE, ICSE and State Board syllabus. Let's get started and solve some questions. Today we learn about exercise 1D, questions 1 to 8 of chapter Knowing Our Numbers, and topic is International System of Numerations. Let's solve some questions. Now we solve question number 1. Question number 1 is read the following numbers in the international system and write in words. First bit is 43,671. This number is given in number form and we have to write down in international system in word form. 43,671. This is given in Indian system. We have to write down this. We have to read this number in international system of numeration. That is 43,671. This is the word form of this international number system of numerations. International system of numeration 43,671. In international number system, we have to put comma within 3 digits. Here 230,056. This is the international system of numeration. Here comma is placed within 3 digits, but in Indian system we have to place the comma after the 100 place, then we have to put the comma with 2 digits only. But in international system we have to put the symbol comma within 3 digits of numbers. 230,056. Here this is in thousand place and this is 100 place, so this is 230,056. 56. This is the international system of numeration. This is the word form of the international number system of numeration, that is 230,056. Now we solve question number third bit. Third bit is 68,823,761. We have to write down this in international system of number in word form. 68,823,761. This is the millions place, millions. This is thousand place and this is 100 place. So 68 million 68 millions 823,000 761. 823,000. It 823,761. This is 68,823,761. And now number 4 is 500, 002. This is thousands place and this is hundredth place. So this will be 500 thousands 2. This is the International System of Numeration in word form. Now we solve question number 50. 1, 369, 864, 002. This is billions place, billions. This is millions place, and this is thousands place, and this is hundred place. So it will be 1 billion 1,369,000. $369 million. This is million. Millions 864,000. $64,000 2. This is the International System of Numeration in word form. And now sixth bit 70, 112, 005, 400, 458. This is billions place, this is millions, this is thousands place, and this is hundred place. So it will be 70 billion 112 millions 5,000 458. This is the International System of Numbers in word form. That is 70 billions 112 millions 5,000 458. Now solve question number 2. Question number 2 is write the numerals for each of the following numbers. The number is given in word form. We have to represent the number, the word form. We have to represent the numbers in number form. That is given the numbers in word form. We have to write in word. We have to write down in numerals or number form. 406,712. 406,000. 400 406,712. 406,000, this is the thousands place, and 712, this is the hundred place. So this is the numeral or number form of this numbering word form. 406, 712, this is thousands place and this is hundreds place. Now second bit, 7,813,300. 7 million, this is million place, and 813,300, this is million place, this is thousands place, and this is hundred place. 7,813,300. Now we solve question number third bit, 509,008,007. 509 million. 509, this is million place, 8,007. This is thousand place, and 7. 7, there is no digits in hundred place, no digits in tens place, just put the number 7 in ones place. This is, so this is million place, 509 millions 8,000, there is no digits in 10,000 place and 100,000 place and 10,000 place, only put the 8,1000, just put 008 and 007, there is no digits in 100 and tens place. So this is 509,008,007. Now fourth bit, 2,018,901,017. 2 billion, this is billion place, 18 million. This is million place, and 901,000. 901,000 plus this is, and 17. This is 100 place. This is billion place, 2 billion, 18 million. This is million place, there is no digit in 100 millions, only 10, 18, so it will be 18 millions, and thousand place, in thousand place there is only 900, 901, यहाँ पे 901,000 में होगा, और 17 में 100 में 0, we have to put the symbol 0, number we have to put the 0 in 100 place is 17 यहाँ पे लिखेंगे. So ये होगा 2 billions 18 millions 901,017. 2, 018, 901, 017. ये होगा उसका वैल्यू. ये होगा इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम इन नंबर्स फॉर्म. Now we will solve question number 50. 18 billions 519 millions 913,702. 18 billion, this is billions place, 18, 10 billion and 1 billion, 18 billions, comma, then millions place, 519 million, this is 519 million, as this is an international system of numeration, so you have to place the comma with the 3 digits. Within 3 digits, we have to place the comma. Here million place 519. Here 5 is in 100 million. 1 is 10 million and 9 is 1 million. So 519 million, then comma, then 913,000. This is 1000 place, 913,000. This is 900,000, 1 10,000 and 3 1,000. So 913,000 and 702. This is 100 place, 702, 702. This is the number. This is the number system or numerals of the given word form of the international system of numeration. This is the number system of numerals of the international number system of given, that is in word form. 18, 519, 913, 702. This is the numerals of this given international system of word form in word form. Then 6b, 39,500,042. This is billions plus 39. Then 500,000. In millions place there is no value, so we have to place the 000. Is we have to place 3 digits within the comma. Then 500,000. This is 1000 place 500, 500, then comma. This is 100 place 1 place, that is 42. There is no digits in 100 place, so you have to place 0, then 40, 4 tens and 2 ones. This is the number system or numerals of the given international system of numbers, international system of numeration of that is given in word form. 39 billion. This is 39, 500,000. In million place there is no digit, so we have to place 000. 39, 000, 500,000, 500, 500, 42, 042. This is the number system or numerals of the given international system of numeration that is in word form. Now we solve question number 3. Question number 3 is write the compact numerals for 8,000,000,060 plus 50,000 plus 90 plus 9 using the international system of numeration. Also write the number name. This is 80,000, 80. This will be 80. How many zero? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. 2, 3. Plus 50,000. 50,000 plus 90 plus 9. So it will be 8, 000 means here 0, 5, 0, 0. This we have to add this number. So 8, 0, 5, 0, 0, 9, 0. This will be the international system of numeration. This will be the numerals of the international system of numeration. It will be 8. This is billions place. This is millions place. And this is 1000 place. And this is 100 place. So it will be 8. In word form it will be written as 8 millions 50,000 90. This is the word form of the given international system of numeration. 8, 050, 090, that is 8 millions 50,000 90. Now we solve question number 4. Question number 4 is match the column A with column B. Column A is 200,000 match with 2 lakhs. 200,000 is equal to 2 lakh. So 1 matches with D. Then 2 billions. 2 billions is equal to 2 crores, which match with A. 2 billions is equal to 2 crores. Then 20 millions is equal to 200 crores. 3 matches with C. Then 2 millions, which is equal to 20 lakhs. 2 millions is 20 lakhs, so fourth match with B. Now so question number 5. Question number 5 is write down 3 consecutive whole numbers just preceding 729001. We know the preceding number can be obtained by subtracting 1 from that number. So here's preceding number, that is preceding number of before number of 729,001 will be 729,001 minus 1. Subtracting 1 from this number, we get 729,000. Now subtracting 1 from this number, we get the preceding number of this number. 729,000 minus 1 will be 729, 728, 999. As it will be 10 minus 1 is 9, and 9 and 9 here, 1 digit goes to this here, so it will be 9 minus 1, that is 8. 728, 999. This is the preceding number of this number 729,000, 729,000. Then we have to find the 3 consecutive. So we have to find out the previous number or preceding number of this number, that is subtracting 1 from this 728,999 minus 1 will be 728, 998. These are the 3 consecutive whole numbers, 729,000 and 728,999 and 728,998. These are the 3 consecutive whole numbers just preceding 729,001. 729,001. This is 729,000, 728,999 and 728,998. These are the 3 consecutive whole numbers preceding of this number 729,001. Now we solve question number 6. Question number 6 is write in numerals and words the largest 8-digit number having 4 different digits in Indian system of numeration. Largest 8-digit number will be having 4 different digits. Four different digits. So this is 876. 9 is 1 digit and 876. These are the 4 different digits. Placing the comma here in Indian system. So we have to place the comma within 2 digits in the thousands place and lakhs place. This will be 99 lakhs 99,876. 99 lakhs 99,876. This is the Indian system of numeration of this largest 8-digit number having 4 different digits. 99,876. That is 99 lakhs 99,876. Now solve question number second bit. That is, in international system of numeration, we have to find out this largest 8-digit number having 4 different digits. The largest 8-digit number having 4 different digits will be 99, 4 nines and 876. These are the 4 different digits. 9 is 1, then 8, 7, 6. These are the 4 different digits in the largest 8-digit number. These are the 8 digits number. So you have to place here 876. Then international system. So you have to place the 3 digits in thousands place. So it will be 9,999,876, and it will be in word form. This is the numeral forms of the international system of numeration of this largest 8-digit number having 4 different digits, and in word form it will be 9 millions 999 999,000 876. This is the international system of numeration of these numbers of largest 8-digit number having 4 different digits. 9,999,876. This is the numerals or number system of this given largest 8-digit number having 4 different digits, and this is the word form, that is 9,999,876. Now we solve multiple choice questions MCQ. The same question number 7. The smallest 8-digit number having 3 different digits can be read as 8-digit number. 3 different digits. It will be 1 digits, then 0, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 digits. This is the 8-digit number, and 3 different digits, that is 1 is 1 digits and 0 is another digits and 2 is another digit. So there are 3 different digits of the smallest 8-digit number, and it will be comma here 8 millions 10 million 1 2 3. This will be 10 millions 2. So option A is correct. This is 10 millions 2. So option A is correct. Now we solve question number 8. The number 999,999,998 can be read in the Indian system as, this is given in international system of numeration as there are 3 digits within this comma. So you have to place this comma. We have to write down this first in Indian system. 998 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6. So there in Indian system it will be 99, 99, 8. Now this will be, this is 100 plus, and this is 1000 plus, and this is lakh place, and this is crore place. So it will be 99 crore 99 crore 99 lakhs 99 lakhs 99 crore 99 lakhs 99,000. 99,998. This is the Indian system of numeration of this given international system of numeration. 999, 999, 998. This is the international system of numeration. We have to place two within comma 2 digits in Indian system, so it will be 999, 99, 99, 99, 998. 99 crores, 99 lakhs, 99 thousands, 998. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. If you like this video, then please click the like button and share this. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos. If you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.